This video is going to be about my 3-month lock update. So yes, I finally hit 3 months locked yesterday actually. So I'm a day late on giving you guys this update, but that's fine. I've been kind of busy and everything like that. So yeah, so let's get into this quick update. There's not that much to update you guys on in comparison to my 2-month update, but there are some things. So let's get into that right now. So in my 2-month update video, I told you guys that I was thinking about combining some locks in the front, these two specifically, and I did do that. So it still has that fresh twist pattern. I did it actually a couple days after I filmed that video. So I ended up combining these two and then these two. There was a lock like in the middle, so I split that in half and put half of it into this row and half into this, that row. I do have a video on it as well, so I'll make sure to put it up here so you guys can see how I actually combine my locks. So yeah, I'm really glad I did that as well, because I'll show you guys a picture of how the locks in the front were looking before I combined them, and they were pretty like thin, and like in this section it was really thin. So I'm really glad that I ended up combining those locks. And I did combine this one as well. I didn't show a video because literally I just twisted them together. And then this one is kind of a weird combination that I did, but instead of keeping the integrity of the row, I ended up combining it with something that's next to it in the next row over. It doesn't look that bad when I like do like side part or anything like that. This is so far in the back, so I really don't mind. But for the most part, I've been keeping my lock combinations within the row so that my rows wouldn't look too weird looking, you know? So yeah. But yeah, they are looking pretty good right now. I'm really loving how my locks are progressing and everything like that. I also created 2 other locks. They're little stubs, you know, but this one and then this one right here. These two I actually use a crochet hook to really make sure that they were crocheted properly. But these hairs here, I was trying to not combine, but I was trying to put these hairs here and then in this row as well, but it just wasn't working. They kept slipping out, and like it's enough hair here to have its own lock, so that's what I'm doing. Hopefully they stay. So far so good. I did wash my hair with these new additions and they haven't come out yet, so I'm hoping for the best. This one is really compact in the way I combined it, so this one is like not as compact. This one has like a weird blunt end because I folded it upwards to crochet it, and then this one I didn't need to fold it upwards, so that's why they look a little different. But I know I don't mind. I'm just making sure that they stay healthy and everything like that, and that they don't break off or anything. So yeah, I had my family vacation a couple weeks ago. We went to North and South Carolina, and before that trip I made sure to interlock my hair basically a week prior. I didn't do it super fresh right before the trip because I didn't want my head to be hurting or anything like that, but I did it within that same week. Well, it was like earlier in that week, so I had a couple of days for it to, you know, settle. But that was my last time I've interlocked, and right now I'm gonna end up switching to retwisting at least for the next couple months. So I did retwist my hair yesterday, and that's how that's looking. I will give you guys a 360 of what my hair is looking like at the end of this video. But yeah, I did a retwist, and already my hair is starting to frizz up. It's really annoying living in Florida because the heat makes my hair so frizzy, and it's humid down here too. So yeah, so hopefully this retwist lasts a couple weeks. I usually do wash my hair every single week, but since I am going to be switching to retwisting for my maintenance, I'm going to start washing my hair every 2 to 3 weeks, just so my retwist can kind of last longer. Because if I wash it every week, I'm gonna have 1 week of retwisted hair and then I'll look kind of crazy for the rest of the 3 weeks until my next retwist. So yeah, I'm gonna try to stick to every 2 to 3 weeks for a wash. We'll see what happens though. One last update and a major change that I've been seeing is that a lot of the locks in the back are locking. They're like compacting. I haven't noticed any actual budding or anything, but these locks in the backs are the locks that I kind of crocheted, but they're just not elastic anymore. Like, let me show you them. They're not that elastic. Can't really pull them too much. There's some obviously here that are elastic. I can feel a little bit of like a bud maybe in the middle of this, but I haven't really noticed any like big buds or anything like that. I think that's because I've been interlocking for my maintenance. I feel like videos I've seen of people who interlock their locks instead of retwist their locks, they don't tend to have that much budding, but they have a lot of compactness in comparison to budding. So that's what I'm experiencing right now, especially in the back sections. But I do have some that are like shrinking, I guess. I have some ones that are kind of shorter in comparison to the other ones in that row. So yeah, that's really exciting for me because that means my hair is finally locking. But yeah, I think that's really it that I have for you guys right now. I haven't really had any scalp issues. I haven't experienced any dryness or anything. I'm still spraying my hair at least a couple times a week now with my daily moisturizer spray. Since I am switching to retwisting, I'm gonna try to not spray my hair at the root and try to focus it on the ends of my hair. But yeah, I'm really loving how my hair is looking. I think it's so cute. If you're looking for a sign to lock your hair, this is it. You should go ahead and do it. Having my hair locked like definitely has taught me patience, has given me a new form of self-love, you know. It's really like literally what people say about having locks is like actually true. So one thing I forgot to mention is that I hit 400 subscribers a couple weeks ago, so yay. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel and subscribing and supporting me. And I just hope it goes up from here. So yeah, thank you guys so much. All right, so I'll catch you guys in another video. All right, bye.